The Divine Prayer. Unlocking abundance and spiritual purpose. What if one prayer could transform your life? The Divine Prayer offers not just faith, but a path to unlock abundance, peace, and purpose. Discover how this ancient spiritual practice can awaken hidden strengths and illuminate your journey. The Divine Prayer bridges faith with transformative self-realization. It's built on principles of reconnecting with the divine, aligning mind and spirit for abundance. This isn't just a prayer. It's a ritual to manifest positivity and growth. At its heart, this prayer channels three key energies. Faith, believing in greater possibilities through the divine. Gratitude, manifesting blessings by acknowledging abundance. 3. Resilience, overcoming struggles with spiritual strength. These energies will guide you toward personal and spiritual wins. Did you know gratitude reshapes your perspective? By expressing thankfulness in daily prayer, your heart opens to divine abundance. Combined with faith, this becomes a powerful tool to reframe difficulties and see opportunities. Transforming the mind is possible with advanced techniques integrating the spiritual and scientific. The Divine Prayer works with the natural creativity of the hippocampus, unlocking potential as you align with your higher purpose. The prayer taps into ancient practices and discoveries. Legends whisper that even visionaries like Leonardo da Vinci embraced similar chants while perfecting their art. Now, this transformative tool is yours. Start simple. Dedicate a quiet space each day to practice the Divine Prayer. Repeat key affirmations, visualize your goals, and trust the divine to light your path. Soon, you'll see life becoming clearer, calmer, and fulfilled. Don't let your potential remain untapped. Begin your transformation now, realign with your spiritual essence, and claim the life of abundance and peace waiting for you. Embrace the Divine Prayer today. Your journey starts with one small yet powerful step.